Hello everyone, Justin here, and today I'm going to show you how to draw Pokemon LUGIA. Let's start by drawing the spike that goes around his eye. So just draw a curve, and here's the tip of that spike right here. Let's go back and finish this off as a triangle, and inside then will be the eye. So let's just draw an almond shape, and the pupil will be right here underneath the upper lid, and this just makes him look more angry. So let's draw the top of his head. From here we're going to go down behind the spike over to the tip of the nose, which will be right about here. So start drawing this curve and then to the nose. Alright, so on the other side we'll be able to see the other spike and just a smaller triangle, and then the nose then will come back for the mouth. So a shallow curve that goes back and goes down to a point, back up, and then a curved line for the back of the mouth, the back of the jaw. So right here we're going to draw the jaw, go down, and then there'll be a couple teeth here. Just draw that, and another one on the other side, and then now we can draw the back of the mouth, going back like that. And now we can draw the upper part of the mouth, which will be in shadow. So just underneath we'll draw a line that parallels this first line we had drawn, and we can darken this because it's the back of the mouth, and back here then will be the tongue. Alright, so let's finish off the bottom of the jaw by drawing a curved line this way, and then gonna start curling back to the neck, and then the neck will be right here, and there's a spike that goes at the back of his head. So let's just go back down first and then start curving it back for the neck, and the neck's gonna go way out here. So let's go ahead and draw that, and notice that I've made it so that this neck's gonna get a little bit thicker as we go to the body. So continuing this back a little bit further, we're gonna start heading back down for the chest area and curve this forward a little bit like that, maybe a little bit further. There we go. So now his wings are gonna be off to the side here. The closer wing will be fairly big. Let's just start drawing these fingers. So let's draw a line right here for the tip of the middle finger, and then another line underneath, and then one more line just a little bit angled, and then the index finger tip will be right there. Let's start with the middle finger first. We're just basically gonna draw a rectangle that kind of narrows a little bit at the top with a slightly curved line. There's the knuckle, and same here, go up with a slight curved line to meet that. Let's draw the next one. So this one is gonna start curving in a little bit more. So here we're gonna draw a curved line that goes in, and then here we're gonna draw another line that curves in a little bit, again to the top of the knuckle, which will be up here. So go across and then curve it in to the middle finger. Let's draw this one. So this one we'll do the same thing with a curved line that goes to this ring finger, and here curve out that corner a little bit, again a parallel line, and then it's gonna move over and then back. Let's do the index finger. Here we'll give it a little bit of thickness now because it's we'll see more of a side-ish view. Again we're gonna go over to where the knuckle would be, and then start curving it in, and then back to the middle finger. Okay, let's give it some thickness this way, and then a line that goes in. So all of this under here are parts of the finger, but it'll be kind of in shadow. So just to show some thickness for these fingers, let's go ahead and draw some lines that will immediately indicate that. So here's the edge of that finger. Here's the edge of the front of this finger, and then right here and here. Now let's draw the thumb. Coming off the index finger, we'll just draw a line that goes out, over, and give it some thickness now by curving the corner, back, and then start heading back towards the palm. Extend this line a little bit, and then now we can bring it back for the arm, and then here's the shoulder right there. So now we can finish the neck line, and let's draw the rest of the palm. So from the ring finger, we'll draw a line that goes down this way and then in a little bit, and that kind of indicates the palm. So then we'll draw a line down and then over. So this is extreme perspective, where something that's closer to you is bigger, but then as it gets farther away it becomes smaller. Alright, so now we can go ahead and work some more on the back. So this body's gonna be curving this way. So continuing this line, we're gonna go behind the palm and just kind of continue this line as a curve. Let's draw the foot now. Let's draw the third toe first. We'll draw a line just underneath this line, and a second line for the middle toe. But let's go ahead and finish this toe first. So let's go across with this third toe, curve this line down for some thickness just like here, and bring it back. So that's one toe. Here we'll continue this line to this toe, curve out the end and curve it just a little bit in, and finally coming off this toe is the first toe, and bring this back for the back of the foot. Here's the ankle, and now we can draw the back of the foot and then go up to the leg. We'll put a fold line here as well, and now we can draw the upper leg. So coming off this toe, we'll just draw a curved line that shows the upper leg like that. Alright, so now we can draw the rest of the tail going this way, but before we do that, right here at the end will be a couple spikes. So let's draw a short line parallel to this line and draw one spike. Looks like the fin of an airplane, and on the other side smaller. Okay, so now we'll continue the tail, which is thick initially and narrows down and goes behind this fin. And we'll finish it off by rounding off the tip. Okay, so now on the other side then we'll be able to see the other leg, but we're gonna put it in shadow, so we'll just make it darker. So here's the upper leg, here's the other leg going down, and then we'll indicate the other foot by just drawing the silhouette. So bring this back, the bottom of the foot and the ankle, and then back up. And I'm going to darken that. I'm just going to make that a silhouette. And right here. Alright, let's draw the other wing with the fingers. So from here, let's just draw a line that goes down and 4 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, and just draw these little triangles to separate them and bring it back up to the body. Put that as well in shadow. And finally, we've got these spikes on its back, and we'll just start with the lowest spike first. They kind of get bigger towards the tip. So there's one, another one, and a third one that we can see. We won't see all of them. We'll also add another detailed line here on the thumb, and actually a fold line here as well for the thumb. And we'll also draw the detail line for the shield that's on his chest. So just draw a line that goes down like a V line, and then draw a curved line here that separates the belly from the rest of the body. So finally, what I'm going to do is I'm just gonna outline this with my thicker Sharpie just to make it a little bit more dynamic. Right now it looks a little plain. Alright, so I'm going to also draw some shadow lines. And that's pretty much it. This was Lugia, another Pokemon. So thanks a lot for watching, and I will see you next time. Have a great day.